Hello everyone, in this video I'm presenting you Quicken Simplify versus Rocket Money. So I have categorized, review both of the software's website and everything, and here I presented you in a proper guide. So Quicken Simplify, it has a user-friendly interface. It's known for a simple and intuitive interface, making it easy for user to track their finances and manage their money effectively. On the other side, Rocket Money, its goal-oriented approach. Rocket Money focuses on helping user achieve specific financial goals such as saving for vacation, buying a home, paying off debt, or whatever you just want to achieve with your money. Quick and Simplify provide comprehensive budgeting. It means robust budgeting features allowing user to create and track budgets, set financial goal, and analyze spending patterns. On the other side, Rocket Money is automatic saving. This app emphasizes automated saving strategies such as round of features, recurring transfer, and goal-based saving account to help users reach their financial goal faster. Quick and simplify expense tracking. So it helps you to track your expenses. App provide detailed insight into user spending habit, categorizing expense automatic and offering customizable spending alert. Right, Rocket Money provide you financial coaching, which is a plus point. Rocket Money may offer personalized financial coaching or guidance to help user make better financial decision and stay on the track with the goal, right? And Quick and Simplify provide debt reduction tool, which is very great for most of the people who have debt, right? So Simplify includes tool to help user manage and reduce debt, such as debt pay off plan and strategies to accelerate debt payment. It also sync across devices. You can use it on your multiple devices including smartphone, tablets, computer, wherever. Rocket Money integration with banking apps. So it has the the best plus feature of Rocket Money, that Rocket Money may integrate with user existing banking app or account, providing a consolidated view of the financial information and transactions. So ultimately, conclusion, the choice between Quick and Simplify and Rocket Money depends on individual preference. What's your preference, right? Your financial goal, your desired features. Quick and Simplify ideal for users seeking a straightforward and comprehensive budgeting solution, while Rocket Money may appeal to those individual focused on goal-based saving and financial coaching. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful, this review very helpful. Subscribe.